Hi, it's Neil McDonald from Fairway Financial, and today I'm joined by my business partner Glenn Dibley. He's going to help me bring to life stage 3 of our information for you on the 5 stages for the veterinary industry and how you might progress through those financially. So stage 1 and 2, stage 1 was getting started as a young professional. Stage 2 is in the thick of it, growing your business, getting to know how things work. And now stage 3, we're assuming you're about 45 to 55. And this one is called pre-retirement. So my specialty is the insurance and Glenn is a financial planner. So what's important about pre-retirement thinking?
Yeah, so thanks Neil. What I've found leading into retirement is the more time that you have leading into retirement, the more opportunity you have, not necessarily to make more money, but actually to make your money work better for you. Yeah, definitely time is a big one. The other part as well is making sure that through legislation changes and things like that, is making sure that you're on top of that and actually seeking advice from someone that you can trust and work with. So definitely moving into retirement is it's an important aspect.
Yeah. So there's so many rule changes around superannuation. Not my cup of tea. That's certainly what Glenn does. And what we're going to show you in stage 3 is how you can make the most of that pre-retirement, maybe 10 years. But you need to get advice and get it right.
Yeah, a good plan.
Yeah. So download the document and it's all yours for free. Ask us any questions at any time. All the best.
Excellent. Thank you.